Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Fall Guys black screen. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, first click here and then type enable Xbox Game Bar and now turn off this option. Go back and now go to view advanced system settings. After that click settings, adjust for best appearance, and then click apply and OK. You can make it for best click adjust for best performance, not appearance, and you can make it for best appearance whenever you want. After that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, open GeForce Experience, check for updates and install the latest one, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.